Welcome to English Trail. You understand English. You know the words. But when someone talks to you, your mind goes blank. The words stay inside. That feeling, that silence, ends today.
Today is day 12 of our 30-day English Fluency Challenge.
And today, we will speak more. Not just listen, speak.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back.
I'm Sophie.
And I'm Ryan.
If you are still watching, thank you. It means you really want to improve.
Today, we have 5 easy parts.
Part 1, start your day with positive English. Part 2, talk to a friend after a long time. Part 3, make simple plans. Part 4, real-life short conversations. Part 5, useful daily phrases.
After today, you will feel more ready to speak in real life.
Just listen, repeat with us, and speak out loud. Let's begin. Ryan, what do you usually say in the morning?
I say, good morning. Today is a good day.
Nice. Simple and positive.
Yes. Sometimes I also say, I feel okay today, or I'm ready for a new day.
I like that. When I wake up tired, I still try to say something good.
Like what?
Good morning. Let's start slow. Or, I will do my best today.
That's smart. Positive words help a little.
Yes. Let's practice these sentences.
Good morning. Today is a good day.
I feel okay today.
I'm ready for a new day.
I will do my best today.
Good. Now, part 2.
Ryan, imagine we haven't seen each other for 2 weeks. What do we say?
I would say, hi, Sophie. Long time no see. How have you been?
And I can answer, I've been good. A little busy with work. How about you?
I've been okay. Just working and practicing English.
That's nice. Are you feeling more confident now?
A little. Some days yes, some days no. But I keep trying.
Same here. Progress is slow, but it is happening.
Yes. Let's practice this conversation.
Hi! Long time no see. How have you been?
I've been good. A little busy. How about you?
I've been okay. Just working and practicing English.
Are you feeling more confident?
A little. I keep trying.
Perfect. Now part 3. Sophie, do you want to do something this weekend?
Yes, I'd like that. What do you want to do?
Maybe we can go for a walk or just drink coffee.
Both sound good. How about Saturday afternoon?
Saturday afternoon is free for me.
Great! Let's meet at 3 o'clock near the park.
Okay, see you then.
See ya.
Everyone, these sentences are very useful.
Do you want to do something this weekend?
What do you want to do?
Maybe we can go for a walk.
How about Saturday afternoon?
Let's meet at 3 o'clock.
See you then.
Good. Now part 4.
Now we will practice 3 short real-life situations.
Situation 1. At a cafe.
Hi, what would you like?
I'd like a coffee, please.
Anything else?
Just water, please.
Okay, coming soon.
Thank you. Situation 2. Asking for help.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Of course. What do you need?
I'm looking for the bus stop.
Go straight, then turn left. It's near the shop.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Situation 3. Simple shopping.
Excuse me, how much is this?
It's $10.
Do you have it in blue?
Yes, here it is.
Okay, I'll take it.
Thank you.
These short conversations are easy and useful every day.
Now let's practice some strong daily phrases. Repeat after us.
I'm doing well, thank you.
I'm learning English every day.
I feel a little more confident now.
Can you help me, please?
I don't understand. Can you say that again?
Thank you so much.
I really appreciate it.
Have a good day.
Take care.
See you later.
I will do my best today.
Okay, everyone. Today we finished 5 parts.
Part 1, Positive Morning English. Part 2, Talking to a Friend. Part 3, Making Plans. Part 4, Real-Life Short Conversations. Part 5, Useful Daily Phrases.
Now pause the video and try these 3 questions out loud. How have you been? Do you want to do something this weekend? Can you help me, please?
Speak slowly. It's okay if you make small mistakes. Just speak.
You completed day 12. That is real progress.
See you tomorrow for day 13.
Keep practicing. You are getting better.
Bye, everyone.
Bye!